Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we will be doing some amazing stuff with our Windows command prompt. Let's jump into our command prompt. So I have opened my command prompt here. So our first command is how to change the color. So we will see today how to change your boring black and white color in Windows command prompt. So for that you have to just type help space color. If you hit enter, you will see there are so many options of colors available for you. You can choose any of them. So here you can see press any key to continue. I am hitting enter. Now I will choose I will give the command color space and which color do I want. So if I want like this color is my favorite, light green. Okay, so I am typing color A, and if I hit enter, you can see the color has of the command prompt has been changed. Okay, so by this way you can just change any of the color. Like if I want to change the color again, I will just type color color space, and like suppose I want to give light yellow, so I will type E. And if I hit enter, you can see the color of the prompt has been changed to light yellow. Our next command which we are going to see, which is about how you can change your admin name or username here. Here you can see /user/admin. Here it is showing the path inside a specific where you are inside, in which folder you are working on. It is showing that. But what if you want to change the name? So for that you have to just go to help prompt. You should type help prompt, and if you hit enter, you can see there are many things which you can use here. So I'm hitting enter to continue. Now I will just type prompt space the name you want to give. So suppose I am giving XYZ @hacker, and if I hit enter, you can see the name has been came here. Okay, I will change the name a little bit more. I will just add a greater than sign so it looks more professional, $G, and if I hit enter, now you can see our name has been changed. So our next command which we are going to learn is how can we change this title. Here you can see in our title we have command prompt, which is again pretty much more boring. So what if you want to change this title here? So you have to just type title, title, title space the name you want to give, the new name you want to give to your command prompt. So I am giving the name hacking into the system, and if I hit enter, you can see our title has been changed and the name has been given hacking into the system. It's pretty fun, right? So our next command prompt is how can you view all the application which are installed inside your computer, and you can view all of them inside your command prompt by using a simple command prompt. And that is if you type WMIC space product name, product get name, and if you hit enter, you can see it's taking a while to load the files. Okay, let's just sit back and wait. Okay, we have got everything which are installed inside my computer, Windows PC, Python, Microsoft Visual ++, everything. You can see each and every application which are installed present in your computer. So thank you for watching my video. We will talk more about Windows command prompt and many more things in our future lectures. Thank you.